Downloading and installing the app. As you already know that an app is a software program. Hence, to use any app, you need to first install it on your mobile device. As we have already learned, Google's Play Store and Apple's App Store are the most commonly used app stores. Among these two, Google's Play Store is more popular due to the huge market of Android devices give a space before. So, we are taking an example of an Android device to install an app from the Google's Play Store. To download and install an app on an Android device, perform the following steps. Step 1. Tap on the Play Store icon of your Android mobile. The home screen of the Google's Play Store appears. Step 2. Type the name of the app or related keyword in the Search for Apps and Games box at the top. In our case, we have typed the Learning English Grammar keyword. A list of related apps appear. Step 3. Tap on the app you want to install. In our case, we have typed the Grammar EN app. The app info screen appears. Step 4. Tap on the Install button. The downloading of the app will start. When the downloading is completed, the installation process will start automatically. Within few seconds, your app will be installed on your mobile and the Uninstall and Open buttons will appear on the Google's Play Store home screen. Step 5. Tap on the Open button to use the app. In case you want to uninstall the app, then tap on the Uninstall button.